Hello friends, welcome to Little Kids Learning. Let's learn bird's name. This is ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. This is cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. This is sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. This is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. This is pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. This is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. This is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. This is flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. This is eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. This is woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. This is kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. This is bat. B-A-T. Bat. This is canary. C-A-N-A-R-Y. Canary. This is magpie. M-A-G-P-I-E. Magpie. This is hen. H-E-N. Hen. This is quail. Q-U-A-I-L. Quail. This is vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. This is swan. S-W-A-M. Swan. This is tailor bird. T-A-I-L-O-R-B-I-R-D. Tailor bird. This is crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. This is owl. O-W-L. Owl. This is nightingale. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E. Nightingale. This is kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. This is myna. M-Y-N-A. Myna. This is cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O. Cuckoo. This is goldcrest. G-O-L-D-C-R-E-S-T. Goldcrest. This is swallow, swallow, swallow. This is seagull, seagull, seagull. This is turkey bird, turkeybird, turkey bird. This is kiwi bird, kiwibird, kiwi bird. This is macaw, macaw, macaw. This is lark, lark. This is robin, robin. This is peahen, peahen. This is bluebird, bluebird. This is goose, goose. This is penguin, penguin. This is seagull, seagull. This is sandpiper, sandpiper, sandpiper. This is dove, dove. This is stork, stork, stork. This is skylark, skylark, skylark. This is wagtail, wagtail, wagtail. This is loon, loon. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching our videos.